This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Party. Roblox Party is a fantastic feature that lets you easily connect with up to 5 friends, forming a group of 6. You can then explore and play various experiences together, moving seamlessly from one game to another. To start, simply open your Roblox application and navigate to the dedicated Party tab. Once in the Party tab, look for the plus button to invite your connections. You can add up to 5 friends to your party, creating a group of 6 players. After selecting your friends, hit Create to officially start the party. If someone invites you, you will receive an in-app notification. Simply click Join to enter their party. Inside your party, users aged 13 and above can enjoy text chat to coordinate and socialize. For eligible users who are 18 and older, voice chat is also available for more natural communication. When you are ready to play, choose an experience and select the Play with Party option. This ensures all 6 members automatically join the same game server. Roblox Party makes it easy to stay connected. If a friend disconnects, they can quickly rejoin the active party. You can manage your privacy settings to determine who can invite you to parties, offering greater control. When your gaming session concludes, simply find and click the End Party button to disband your group.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.